and dairy. Lunch and tour. Lunch was fantastic. I want to say 4 or 5 course meal. They have the option to do it with wine tasting. Then you go on a tour. You find out how they make ice cream, how they make milk, how they make their cheeses. And yes, it is locally Kenyan owned, and it can be found at the major supermarkets, Carrefour. They have a standalone shop in Yaya and I think Sirit Mall. Um, and it's absolutely delicious. They have the plant-based stuff, they have the wines, they have breads. It's actually pretty cool. So if you want to take your kids on a tour or girls' day or date night, I think it's great.
Yeah, this is our Gouda. This is our Gouda. You can see we have our Goudas and also specials.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, going straight to the end.
Okay. Wow, that's
Yeah,
huge.
these are parmesan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Also,
Wow. That's a lot of cheese. How long does it take?
and for maturing,
Yes.
for the hedged one, it takes more than even a year.
Oh.
Yeah, for the hedged one. But for normal selling, we sell it 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, for the normal one.
Wow.
Also, the Parmesan can go even up to 2 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the one you see there. is
The
up-
big one over
yeah,
here or
because
this
they
one?
They already started changing color. They
Oh.
are hedging.
And what does hedging mean?
Hedging is staying for long
Oh, okay.
in the caves. We call these caves.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he's dipping it in water?
Yeah, so this is the water with the salt and trying to remove the mold.
Oh, because that cheese is done.
Yeah, the thing is done. We normally do this is a routine. Normally it's done every day for every cheese. For cheddar, Parmesan, and also this Gouda.
Yeah.
After now cleaning that, we wipe with these gloves.
Uh-huh.
Then we see
Oh, and then it looks like this.
end result.
But you have to clean all of this cheese every day?
No. It goes with the you can't.
Oh, okay. I was like, that's a lot of
So
cheese.
it goes with that. Oh, can do this 2 rows, tomorrow 2 rows.
Oh, okay.
Just like that. Yeah, until he finishes. But he just rotates. He rotates. When he finishes this row, it goes to the next one.
So, but the blue cheese, you leave the mold.
Yeah, blue cheese. We have a very separate room for blue cheese.
Okay.
We have a hand to the factory.
Oh,
That
okay.
one is in separate.
Because it has so much mold.
Yeah, you can mix with these ones. It also has its own mold.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they're different types of ones.
Okay.
Yeah, you see the blue cheese and the camembert, they can't mix. They can't mix together.
Oh.
Yeah, the camembert, they can start, you see, blue cheese can start giving camembert the blue malt. And it's not one that like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. So how do you make it? Yeah, I can see this at the grocery store.
So, like a ice cream?
Yes.
These are ice creams.
Oh, okay.
Usually they're liquid like this one. You see these are juice from orange.
Oh,
This ice cream, this juice from orange. You can make so many juice in that one.
okay.
Now when the pulp is ready, the mixture of glucose syrup, sugar, and I think these are the only ingredients for sorbets.
Okay.
After that, we freeze with that much freezer. It's just running water inside, which
Oh, okay.
cooling makes it cool, and also frozen. After that, we have this is called the booster, blast freezer. That's the booster. When it comes from there, just take it inside here so that it can become hard.
Oh, okay.
After a few minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes, just transfer the ice cream to us.
Okay.
That is soft. Again, we have the dairy. Dairy comprises of milk, cream milk, cream, which comes from milk, and also egg yolk.
Okay.
The orange one. Yeah, the orange one.
Yeah.
The yellow one, not
The
orange.
yolk.
The yellow
Yeah.
one. Yes. So you mix and steam milk.